Welcome everyone. Today in this video, I will guide you through the process of redeeming your Fortnite V-Bucks code. But before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for our channel so you don't miss anything new. And now let's get started. The first step is to open up your preferred web browser. Once you've done that, you will need to navigate fortnite.com/V-Bucks Code. This is the official Fortnite V-Bucks redemption page. Upon arrival, you will notice an option that reads Get Started. Go ahead and click on this option to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your Epic Games account. If you do not already have an account, don't worry, you'll need to create one to continue with the redemption process. Once you've successfully logged in, you will be directed to a new page where you can enter your V-Bucks code. Carefully enter the 16-digit code found on your gift card into the provided field, ensuring every digit is correct. After you've entered the code, all you have to do is to click on Redeem. And that's it, you've successfully redeemed your V-Bucks. They should now be added to your Fortnite account. To confirm, you can check your balance within the game itself. I hope this step-by-step video guide was helpful. If you encounter any issue or have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy spending your V-Bucks in Fortnite.